Howdy, y'all. Sometimes I can't be heard at the griddle with the bacon sizzling and the wind blowing and me turning my back and talking in the opposite direction or something silly like that. So I ordered me a PoP voice Lavalier microphone, a lav mic. I ain't rich, so it ain't one of those fancy Bluetooth. This has a cord on it. And let's find out if it works, if it's better, if it's worse. It's got a handy little pouch, and I have help today from Russia the Wonder Cat. There's instructions. There's a adapter so I can hook it onto the computer. There's different little foam doodads. There's an extra clip. That's a nice little batch of goodies there. And a little Velcro thing to keep it wrapped up, which I'll lose in no time. So I'm impressed with the material. No, it's not a cat toy, Raja. Impressed with the materials, and right now I'm standing maybe 6-8 feet from you, just so we have a comparison before and after. No. No, it's not for you. No. Raja thinks it's a cat toy, and she's mad now because it's not a cat toy. Yeah. Meow. I may have to move Raja inside. You're supposed to be... Okay, now she's climbing trees, trying to be cute. That hurt. She tried to climb my leg. Anyway, I don't know if this will work just plugging in. Plug and play, we'll find out. But here we go, recording audio through headset, so I guess it's working. And I'm not completely unraveling it, so it's hanging. And I won't know if this is working until I play this back. But you tell me, do I sound better? Do I sound worse? Are you irritated by the sound of my voice now? I don't know. I know I have a cat that's trying to play with it, which I'll have to keep in mind when I'm trying to griddle. Ow! Anyway, you can maybe even pick up the peacocks in the background now, or maybe not. Anyway, we're done recording. We're done testing. Let's go play it back and find out if it worked or not. Thanks for watching, y'all. What? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, helpful comments, blah, blah, blah. And we'll see you next time. Bye!